Hi, and welcome to Creative Writing. It's pretty exciting, our first day of school. Congratulations on being seniors. For this first video, I just want to go over how the course works in terms of the layout on PowerSchool. You'll see that there is still the This Week to check out. On this week will be the specific assignments that we will be working on in class. If you're a Flex learner at home, you can go to Flex Learners and see the specific assignments on the Flex Learning Master form, as well as some orientation details. In class, we'll take a look at the course homepage. So if you are at home, you can go ahead and click this link and you can stream my audio live in the class. While you might not be able to see my screen depending on bandwidth, you can follow along on your screen going to the specific items that I talk about. We'll be talking about a lot of items on the course homepage in class today. So we'll review the syllabus, we'll go over required textbooks, some other details about doing workshop. You'll notice that I have some ideas for what are deadlines and work that will get done today, but we're sort of in a unique position insofar as we haven't determined what we're going to do with summer reading. I know that you guys didn't have an assignment, but I thought maybe we could come up with something collectively. So we'll talk about that in class today and see what we can do. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe. And as always, reach out to me if you have any questions.